Hi, my name is Missy Carvin,
And I'm Beth Slazak.
and today's video is CEF Presents Targeting. This is part of the How to Make Decisions series produced by the Chicago Student Convention and the Creative Education Foundation.
Targeting is a tool that helps find ideas that get you closer to your goal. This comes after you've come up with a lot of ideas around your goal.
So to do the targeting tool, step 1 is draw a target where everyone can see it. Step 2, write the goal in the center of the target. Step 3, put your ideas on the target to show how close or far they are from the goal. And a bonus is you can use this tool to improve ideas that aren't initially very close to the goal.
Here's why targeting is useful. You have lots of ideas and you need to choose the ones that really fit and fit best. You want to compare the current state to your goal. You want to see the path to your results a little better. Or you want to clarify what needs to happen to actually reach your goal.
So when do we use targeting? When we want to improve ideas, we want to move them closer to the end goal. When our path is cluttered with lots of ideas, or when we need to see which ideas are the best, the ones that are already closest to the goal.
You can also use targeting in these situations. If you're coming up with steps for a new process, or you need to understand if the end goal is really what you want, or when you need to justify why an idea is the wrong one to move forward on.
So targeting is a tool to find ideas that bring you closer to your goal.
Thank you so much for joining us today. This has been produced by the Creative Education Foundation Incorporated in conjunction with the Chicago Student Invention Convention. If you'd like to reach either organizations, you can find them at www.creativeeducationfoundation.org or www.chicagoinvention.com. If you would like to contact either Missy or I, you can see our emails there on the screen. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.